Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 new crock pot recipes. They are so good. I love how easy crock pot recipes are. So if you like easy recipes that are still delicious, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my crock pot recipes with you and I do it very, very often. I share multiple videos a week, so make sure you click subscribe. Let me get into these 5 new crock pot recipes. They're quick, easy, dump and go, and I know you're gonna love them. This is going to be a beef stew in the crock pot. Really, really easy. So I have my stew meat. I have some baby red potatoes. I'm gonna cut them into some quarters, so about 2 cups of potatoes. I have about 2 cups of chopped up carrots as well. I have some tomato paste I'm going to add in. I'm going to add in this whole jar of tomato paste, and then I'm going to add in an onion soup packet, and this has so much flavor. It's so awesome. I love these little packets. I use it in a ton of different recipes. I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce in here, and I'm going to add beef broth as well. I have 4 cups of beef broth. So give this a little mix to mix around the tomato paste and all the ingredients. And then I'm going to cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can cook this on high to 3 to 4 hours if that's how much time you have. And at the end of the day, this stew, it's amazing. Look how good this is. It's so hearty. It's really great for when it's cold outside. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to be making a pizza. So yes, you can make pizza in the crock pot. If you have not made a pizza in the crock pot, you definitely need to give this a try. So spray the crock pot with some cooking spray and use any kind of a pizza dough crust that you would like. And I'm just kind of roll up these ends to make a little kind of crust around the edges. I'm going to poke some holes throughout this little dough. And now I'm going to add on some pizza sauce, and you can use your favorite pizza sauce. I just already had this one on hand. So I'm just going to do a small layer. You don't need a lot, and just to kind of cover that bottom just a little bit. I'm going to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese, and then you can add your favorite toppings to this. So definitely customizable. My kids are pepperoni fans. I prefer a combination pizza, but I'm making this for the kids and it is really, really easy. So I'm just adding pepperoni for this one. I have about a tablespoon of olive oil and I'm adding in some garlic powder. And now I'm going to brush the edges, kind of the crust, with this olive oil. So like I said, totally customizable. You can add bell peppers and olives and onions and mushrooms and any kind of toppings you want for this. And it turns out really, really great. So you can cook this on low for about 4 to 5 hours, or you can cook it on high for about 2 to 3 hours. Comes out so great. The crust comes out nice and crispy. Give it a little cut across, and this is really, really great and easy. I'm going to be making some chicken and gravy. Basically 2 ingredients. I have this leftover gravy from Thanksgiving from Trader Joe's, and it is a really, really good gravy. So use your favorite gravy or whatever you have on hand. And now this cooked on low for about 7 hours. I'm going to just shred the chicken with my tongs. You can take it out and shred it if you want, but I'm just going to kind of pull it apart into the kind of bigger chunks. So this chicken and gravy can go with a ton of different things. I made some roasted potatoes, but you can do some mashed potatoes. You can do rice because this gravy is really super good. Doesn't get any easier. Wonderful dinner. I'm going to be doing some chicken thighs. So I'm adding my chicken thighs to the crock pot. And then I'm going to be adding in some red baby potatoes, and I'm going to cut these in quarters, and then I'm also going to add in some carrots as well. So this is just going to be a really, really great kind of everything all dumped in one crock pot, and then your dinner is ready to go. So I have an onion soup mix packet, which, like I said, I just absolutely love this stuff. Really, really convenient. And I'm also going to add in some chicken broth. So I have 4 cups of chicken broth. So you want to cover all of these veggies and chicken with the broth. So I'm going to cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You could do it on high for 3 to 4 hours if you'd like. Chicken thighs in the crock pot come out so nice and tender, which I just absolutely love. So I'm just gonna pull these out. I'm using a slotted spoon because I don't want all of this broth, but you can kind of shred this chicken up, turn it into a soup if you wanted, but I am just draining off this broth and gonna have the chicken, carrots, and potatoes, and serve with a side salad, and you have a really quick and easy, just a dump and go dinner. I'm going to be doing a chicken soup, and I have some 3 chicken breasts, and I am going to, you can use 2 to 3. I have some carrots, and I am going to cut the carrots up into some small pieces because they cook a lot easier. I have celery sliced up into some small pieces. I have minced garlic as well, about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I have some onion powder, about a teaspoon of onion powder. And now I'm going to add in my chicken broth. So I have 4 cups here and another 4 cups of the broth. So 8 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to put this lid on, cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. And this is going to be a really, really awesome soup. It is just really nice and hearty. So this is basically like a chicken noodle soup, but I'm not going to add any noodles this time. So I'm going to remove the chicken out of the soup, and then I will shred it. So great way to just have a really good high protein soup, super healthy. But like I said, you could add the noodles to this if you wanted. If you want to make it a chicken noodle soup, you can add the noodles in here at the end while you're shredding the chicken. You can add the noodles in, put the lid on for about 20 minutes, and those noodles will cook up just great. So I'm shredded up my chicken. I'm going to shred up the other chicken and just put it right back into the soup. This is so perfect for winter time. I love making lots and lots of soups. I actually make a bunch of batches and I store them in my freezer so that I just always have soup ready to go. So this one is easy, delicious, super, super healthy. So I love this. I hope that you enjoyed these crock pot recipes. I love using my crock pot. It is just so convenient. Dump everything in at the beginning of the day, and then you will have dinner ready for you when you get home after a long day. So if you love crock pot recipes as much as I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Put a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and always leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I will see you in my next video. Have a really great rest of your day.